Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect NZXT Kraken 360 RGB. First, gather your Kraken 360 RGB cooler, its included fan controller, and all necessary cables. Ensure your motherboard has an available USB 2.0 header and a SATA power connector from your power supply. We'll cover each connection point step by step, making sure your setup is clean and functional for optimal performance and aesthetics. Next, let's connect the pump and fan controller. The Kraken 360 RGB pump has a single breakout cable that connects to the pump head. From this breakout cable, connect the USB cable to an available USB 2.0 header on your motherboard. Then, connect the pump's SATA power cable to a SATA power connector from your power supply unit. This ensures the pump receives adequate power to operate efficiently. Now, let's handle the fans and RGB. Connect the 3 RGB fans to the NZXT RGB and fan controller. Each fan has a proprietary NZXT RGB connector. The fan controller itself requires 2 main connections: a USB cable to an available USB 2.0 header on your motherboard, and a SATA power cable from your power supply. This powers both the fans and the RGB lighting. Finally, it's time for software and final checks. Download and install the NZXT CAM software from the official website. This software allows you to control the pump speed, fan curves, and customize the RGB lighting effects. After installation, power on your PC and verify that all 3 fans are spinning and the RGB lighting is working as expected. Neatly route all cables for a clean aesthetic.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.